Ebusia, you are welcome back to platform way so. This be the platform where we dey make sure say we dey do international and local gossip. But something, the thing where they go on where everybody know for Ghana be this Igbo chief. I don't want to refer him as king. Igbo chief. We say they Ghana, they control your own people for Ghana. In any other case, no, me, I don't listen to so many Nigerians already. So many Nigerians already where they know be Igbo people. Okay. And the kind of things where those people have said so far. Niyama na Igbo for no munye omunye Igbo for but muye Nigeria for na kika. Edi afa Igbo for ne hono. Echere say ye President John Dramani Mahama any the NDC government ebeye ahwehan including the government ni tekochu and including Ashantehini otumfo say tutu any other big chief ewo Ghana if they would just put it on behind or they would just sit down, they watch this guy, they parade himself, they talk say they won't organize in own yam festival, Igbo yam festival in August. Then now he's trying to do flyers and things because they feel say he go fit dominate or he go fit take in charge of what they go on in Ghana. Then we have something to do with some of this. Now there's one particular person here. This issue, sorry, was sorry park and was Dr. Hassan Ayariga. And most of the youth, they support Dr. Hassan Ayariga. I have 3 videos I want to show to you. The first one, the Igbo chief in Ghana, Niamana Okika. The second one, what Hassan Ayariga have said in Kofi Annan's program, Niawaka, any idea. The third video, where I go take show you, it be the same Igbo people, Nigerians in Guangzhou, China, in same be a Kosovo, and I made the barbecue because you see the same people in China. Omo hear the same thing. Me catch them say the last time they did the same thing in Dubai, Satwa. Almost how you be was Sharjah. Almost have some part of Sharjah, some areas be near there. Igbo for no, they form their clans, they form whatever they call it, and they are doing all sort of things. Now, I'm saying this because I have said this, Uma Nigeria ni chance for 1 minute, or better 2 minutes account. Until the president of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, I don't know what you guys get from this guy, honestly speaking, I don't know. But the way the guy, they parade himself, the way the guy, they show pompous, the way if he sit inside his own throne, because me, I don't want to recognize that throne. As far as I'm concerned, that man no be Ghanaian. Whether he marry Ghanaian or what Ghanaian, that no be my concern. My main concern here is, according to Nigeria lady be a in the video or TikTok, Igbo for nkasa, the reason why they don't want to give them chance to even take part to become a president in Nigeria, and they say, one chance on befa 3 at the account. So why are we giving these guys that kind of chance? Omwe who say Ghana fu Ghana joa momoni ade enti obetumi aba Ghana be ye ne omope ebusua me kasa say se be ya me wie na me the video ni beto no mu na wotumi hu guy na okasa no ne omo kan ne ade nyina na won so wotumi tie bi e de ato hu fu Ghana fo na mo Ghana na mo hu Nigeria fo na mo hu pochecheche e kan ma no omo Ghana Nigeria niya, oh, they can take care of their women, oh, they are nice, they can do this. Now wa money wo ba ko mienu miensa na wa ko gi passport amano di nsem hu no. According to what Dr. Hassan Ayariga ekano, 85% of omo ye crime rate e wo Ghana nyina no. Igbo for even Ghana okasa na wo hwe ne sese ano a okasa for Guangzhou, Nigeria for wo Guangzhou. Even Igbo for nkasa na work Guangzhou no, they are doing the same thing. So why are we trying to give these guys opportunity to come and stay in Ghana and do what they are doing? Say very careful. And to be honest with you, what Hassan Ayariga they do, me at the support 104%. Hassan Ayariga say that guy, they no go allow him make it celebrate that young festival. That be number 1. Number 2, that guy must leave Ghana. That be what Hassan Ayariga they talk. Because if you give them chance right now, if you give these guys a chance, Now. It go turn into something. I have a video of him talking, and the way they talk, if you listen, one trying to be Ghana and paying for him, sorry. I've seen this man going to visit Kufuor, Akosra, different kinds of people. Me Kasanche, let me go show you. Let me go open that video. Let me open the video for you guys to listen. Tie, send your guy ne Kasano. I won't open up, so you go listen to what the guy they talk.
Nigerians that are concerned about these social media fake informations that Ghanaians are beating Nigerians, destroying their businesses, asking them to go. I want to tell you that this is internet fake informations. Our people back home and all over the world, we are safe in Ghana. There's no single protest in Ghana. We're 100% safe. Nobody came here for any protest. It's all about internet generated stories, AI. So I want to assure you people, don't panic. The government of Ghana, they are in control of the security of us, the Nigerians that live in Ghana. There's no cause for alarm.
Ebusia enti the video na wo se sia no eye Igbo chief no. Na asase na ye ka ho asema o se onto asase ebe no asase no na yakobubu boys na akobubu nobody knows yakobubu ye enti se omusi omunto asase wo be bia dia
few minutes fellow Nigerians, good evening. What is happening in Gotai and on the street of Guangzhou is very appalling. We must speak the fact and say it the way it is. The truth of the matter is that every action has consequences. A lot of times, our people are using their hands to destroy the image of Nigeria here. Nobody is under 18 here. And if you are up to 18, you are liable to face any punishment owing to what you have done. Now, we see videos of fighting. We see videos of so many things, cultism and all the rest of them. Remember in this Gotai that you people have made an epic center for fighting. I know 4 guys who fought in this place. They are no longer in China today. They have gone back to Nigeria. Yes. I know people will remember the incident.
Yes.
Good. The day B-Lord came, one guy fought. Today, we know where he is. The reason why I'm saying this is that you came here and you are given opportunity to be documented. And all you have been doing is going from one police station to the other. It is not a norm. That is not a norm. The older people here, they wouldn't even want any authority to see their documents. That is the norm. So we have to have this orientation and understand that you are in another man's land. You bought ticket, you got visa. All you are doing in China is fighting and causing nuisance. Who are you?
Terrorizing the people.
Do you know that Nigerian community has the ability to write and then say that we don't want you in China again as a community and it must be obeyed? Yes. You go back to Nigeria. So conduct yourself very well. Do your business very well. Every business idea you see on earth today comes from a single individual. You see banks, you see aircraft, you see so many things. But for our own, we'll be drinking ourselves to stupor. You wouldn't even have the time to think and then do a business. All you have to do is fighting from one street to the other, destroying the image of your family and that of Nigeria. You are here as a good ambassador of your family and that of your country.
Power.
We make ourselves animals here because of the way we live. Let me ask this question. How many times have you seen Chinese fighting in the streets of Lagos? Never. Do you see that? No. Do you think we are the only foreigners living here? There are Arabs here. There are Japanese here. There are Europeans, Americans, South Americans, Russians. They are here. But they are not behaving the way we do. Please, and please, let us conduct ourselves very well. And the so-called cultists, there is a history in this land. The people that did it before, ask where they were now. Ask questions. Because some of you just came and you thought that the way you met here is the way it used to be.
Here is not right.
There has been history here. Here is not Dubai. Here is not Turkey. Let me say it again. Every action has consequences. So please conduct yourself very well. If you have any problem with your fellow
this country.
Are you suggesting that they should hold on?
No, but nobody should try doing Yam Festival in Ghana. No Igbo man should try it. Let's give him the forewarning of even the rest of the Igbo who will stay in Ghana after he's gone. This man must leave Ghana. I am not the Minister of Foreign Affairs. I am not the Minister for Interior. I am not the Minister for sacking him or national security. But this man cannot be contained in Ghana. This man has insulted we Ghanaians, has disgraced we Ghanaians, has attacked our integrity, has attacked us directly.
Yeah.
We are not going to sit down and watch. He has started it. We will finish it.
He has
started it. We will finish it.
We will finish it. Folks, Dr. Hassan Ayariga na menene edim komono na yeguso ebo nioma ekwenim. Quite a lot of messages.
All right, guys. And I believe that when you know video no, any near koso me video me ensa e de kire mo. First one no, eye nia e koso e wo sa Igbo chief no, ni kingdom ho. Me pese me friend no Igbo king because so yeah, Igbo king na this our kingship no e wo Ghana. That's the first thing I mean kire wo. The second one nia Hassan Ayariga Hassan Ayariga say akwa no obema na akọ Nigeria sana Hassan Ayariga kan I don't know say ofuaso anase wonfuaso but for me from where I see the way ana papa na kasa no eni ni ye no say ye brenasi say ye chere ne say enye Nigeria no wo Ghana. That's the first thing na me pesemeka because me tie ni kasa bi ni ade na homaso me tie kasa ne bi kura ne bi na o kasa guys be etete social media omo nim ni omo ka ni ade afeso ma tie ni yiri ankasa oye fantini and I am very sure say asase na ye kan wasem no a omo se mu ntoye no enu ena etwa ne ho no asase no yesi omo ato asase ne ewo ho na omo toye no bebi omo toye no kra no na sa akro ne ohini bi eni so for 20 years afina omo esi ohini kra wo ho a ohini ne di one year a obebe di ni first and best into ohini ni kra no he doesn't know anything about this land issue. Look at the wife in question. I am very sure say asase ni de omo atowo baby around central region ho baby because obi nso aka say enye greater Accra region into asase ni de omo ato and asase no na boys no akobubu no so ohun say boys no akobubu sa na asase no so boys na akobubu ni na because also onto asase si wonto asase dia obi na afa kire akobubu ni na no. That's another thing say to me. I feel so Guangzhou hono na wuti video na me kasa no. The same Igbo people no akopie wo Guangzhou e na omo di nsenhono, omo ku ntokwa, omo ye nsenhono ni ade wo Guangzhou abonten so. So you can imagine what we are talking about here. A dicey issue, very very difficult issue, but with that diplomacy na wo hono for Ghana diplomacy no, we have to use that diplomacy very well. If somebody will come to Ghana, no begging or say me, we have to say a bromwasi. We have kings and kingdoms. Ghana. He cannot just be or person called the king or could do on the chrome. No problem. Fine. Some of us we are passionate about the way the entire SRN say we have dealt with these people before and we know how they can change things within a matter of time. Enti na ye kasa sana enti kudos to Hassan Ayariga ni awo ye no ye ni so and se wo kasa wo call demonstration wo baby there I believe strongly say the Ghana youth no on be support to #the Igbos in Ghana must go sana ye nya ye kan #the Igbos in Ghana and the Igbo king must go sana ye kan sana tie pepepe ebusia bomodi anse obe subscribe na wa share na wa comment se na ya anya video ebe hu adwuma na wozo anya bi ahwe the way tie ne pepepe osomfo ni onum the way ya no pepepe e wa crow way so pia